Hello, let's take a look at Superslider. Right now I have operator here, and the only modification I will make, just to make it more fun, we set this mode to loop, which will loop the amplitude envelope. And now we can start mapping things. So let's map the coarse pitch and then the fixed level. From this envelope we also want to map the decay time and also the sustain level. Then we enable the LFO, pitch LFO, and map rate and amount. And let's say we also want the pitch envelope. And finally, from this oscillator, let's also map the wave selector, like this. And now we hit start, and we can start randomizing things. And the things we like, we store in those presets here. Maybe this, and that, and also this. If we want to limit the randomization, we can also go to the random tab, and the coarse tuning here, you can actually see up right here, it's between 0 and 48. And we can also see it goes to 48, and we can just say, okay, let's limit this to maybe like 2, for example. And now we get much lower notes because the coarse tuning doesn't get randomized as high. And when we are satisfied with all our presets, we can then interpolate between them, for example, with this slider here. And you can see the values change there. You can also distribute the notes automatically, for example, in this configuration, and then hit go to go to specific notes. Yeah, that's basically it. You also have these movement parameters. This is kind of the time it takes for the values to move to the new preset value. And this exponent kind of controls the way it moves. You can also have additional info here in the help. Have fun!